Generico says that's it.
Come on, Eddie.
Package pile driver.
Aha! Generico pulled to the floor by Davey Richards.
Forearm from behind. Steen again trying to fight off the challengers.
Double knees. Super kick. German suplex combo.
Generico with the save. What a combination by the Wolves. And it took the last split-second effort of El Generico to save the World Tag Team titles. And again, the crowd of Detroit is on their feet.
Eddie Edwards, oh no, sent to the floor. Davey Richards back on his feet, going to work on Kevin Steen.
Got the arms trapped and Sweeney with the boot.
Referee has his back turned.
Here comes Bill Albright.
What does he have to do with this match?
Anytime he can try and get his hands on Larry Sweeney, he's going to do it. And all by running Sweeney back to the locker room. But the Wolves are in there with Kevin Steen. The boot misconnects. Right to the head of Eddie Edwards.
Bad timing. But the referee is out on the floor. Nowhere to count.
Cover!
No, 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 no!